Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 louder. So how to start, we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Just type the volume, it's enough, and how you can see there we have a few apps to do it. I'm always using the QDF app. Click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Now tap on OK, and how you can see the tool is active. Now just adjust the volume booster to your needs by this little slider. The max is 16%, so just select your desired one, and if you go back the tool is still active. If you want to turn off it, just open the background apps, choose the volume booster, click on the stop service and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.